this one first?
Hi, I'm Joseph Sharp from the state of Florida, and this is our CP 403 final project.
So our main goal was to set up a remote system for embedded application development, and it collects temperature data and lux data. And we accomplished this goal by interfacing two CC 1350 boards. One of them we used as a sensor, which we interfaced with the lux chip, the TSL2561. And then the other CC 1350 board was interfaced to the Beagle board, and then that was used as a host to upload the data to the Stack Collector app.
So the outcome and accomplishments, the built-in temperature sensor would convert the data through ADC. The lux sensor would communicate with the CC1350 through I2C, through SCL and SCA. For short-term ideas, you could use it as a way to check how much light there is outside, or use it as a thermometer. For long-term, you could measure the light usage in your house and the heat usage in your house for power consumption.
So we used 4 basic components in this design. We used one BBB, 2 CC 1350s, and then one lux chip, TSL2561.
Tools for the design, we use CCS 7.2 Code Composer Studio for editing the sensor .c file in one of the Resource Explorer pre-made examples. We use the TI 15.4 STAP application to present, to show the data collected, and we use Argo project to open up the Stack application.
So these are the schematics. So like I said before, we have one of the CC 1350s acting as a coprocessor, which connects to the BBB, and that connects to the computer and gets internet via Ethernet connection. And then the other CC 1350 connects to the lux chip, and then that one interfaces to the computer to get power. And then the sensor CC 1350 sends the data to the other CC 1350 via RF, and then that gives it to the BBB, and via Ethernet it uploads it to the Stack Collector app.
So the prerequisites, we had to flash the sensor board and the coprocessor board. The coprocessor board the firmware we didn't edit afterwards. The sensor board we did. We had to download Argo project to the BBB with a micro SD card. These are the commands used to set up the Stack Collector app application.
Implementation details. These are the steps we used to implement the entire project. So, like Joey said before, first we flashed both CC 1350s, the sensor and the coprocessor, and then we set up the BBB with Argo with an SD card, and then we wired the lux sensor to the CC 1350 sensor. Then we activated the collector app on the browser through the terminal via BBB, and then we debugged and ran the program through CCS onto the sensor, and then we connected the sensor and coprocessor through RF, and then we observed the values in the collector app.
So the picture, this is the lux sensor connected to the CC 1350 sensor board through I2C, and the BeagleBone connected to the coprocessor through USB.
We have a link for the demo, and then for the results, this is a screenshot of, it's really hard to see, but it's a 22 degrees Celsius and 11 lux reading in this screenshot.
So references, we used the Element 14 sub 1 gigahertz sensor to cloud page, and a wiki on how to add stuff for the Cloud Linux gateway. And that's it.